Welcome to LBCC Welding. Hey, just want a quick note to everybody. First, my name is Mark Rose. It's my 6th year as a full-time instructor at LB. Like yourself, I went through this program back in 1992. I kind of know where you guys are coming from, except for not this technology piece. But we just want to make sure you guys know that we are open. The shops will be open. There's going to be certain, COVID restrictions, for the shop use, and we'll go over all that stuff once classes start up next week. Want to make sure you guys know internet access is required because some of our lecture stuff will be online, kind of like this. Some of it will be interactive. Some of it will just be videotaped lectures that you guys will watch and comment on. And above all else, if you guys have any questions about anything, you can ask anybody. You're going to meet a few more of the instructors on this video. There's 5 of us full-time. We've got 2 IAs, instructional assistants, and a large number of part-time faculty. So anytime you're in the weld shop, you need some help, you're not 100% sure what's going on, ask us. That's why we're here. We can't help you unless we know you need help. So we're here for you guys to succeed. So look forward to seeing you guys in a couple weeks. If you see me in the shop, want to chat, just stop me. Happy to help you. So again, welcome to LBCC Welding, and good luck.
Hey, my name is Cameron Moran, welding faculty at Lynn-Benton Community College. Just wanted to touch base real quick, let you know that our labs are going to be hybrid, and so that means you're going to have an online portion that you're going to have to do for your class, as well as doing the hands-on portion in the lab. So make sure that you're following your email, make sure that you're keeping on our learning management systems. If you have questions, ask. I've been working for the school. This is going on my 7th year now. And a little fun fact about me, when I was going through the program just as you were going to, I was making money by playing drums in 3 different bands. Keep your chins up. We're going to have a great year, and we'll keep in touch.
Hello, welding students. My name is Mike Brown. I am weld faculty at Lynn-Benton Community College. Since graduating the program at Lynn-Benton Community College, I personally have spent 20+ years in the construction industry. I've done everything from sweep the floor to run the shop. I was a crane operator for 9+ years and even had my contractor's license and flipped houses for 2 years. This term, I will be teaching fabrication and repair, as well as blueprint reading for welders. I hope to see each and every one of you in the shop, and we look forward to having a wonderful fall term.
Hello and welcome to LBCC Welding Program. My name is Nick Collins. I'm an instructor here. This is the start of my 2nd year here. Before that, I did 2 years of part-time instructing before I came on. Looking forward to seeing everybody.
Hello LBCC students. My name is Dean Dowless. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the LBCC Welding and Fabrication Technology program. This fall is the start of my 37th year teaching welding at LBCC. I enjoy all facets of welding, and my specialty areas include welding, fabrication, maintenance and repair welding, and pipe welding. I am looking forward to working with you to help impart the knowledge and skills necessary for you to become successful as an entry-level welder in the welding trades. Welcome.